Akshita Arya, student journalist of SDP Journalism Club. July 1st is marked as Doctors' Day. In today's special show, we have a panel of doctors with us. I heartily welcome all the doctors. Undeniably, the role of saviors of life during pandemic has been commendable. Let me start with Dr. Khushbu.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Khushbu. I am a dermatologist. I specialize in diseases of the skin, nails and hair. I treat ailments such as eczema, skin cancer and acne. Today, I am going to be telling you some ways to make your skin more healthy and shining. The first and the most important mantra for healthy skin is eat healthy to make your skin healthy. Include some fats in your diet to make your skin more shining. Drink plenty of water to reduce acne. Clean your skin and face 5 to 6 times a day and use aloe vera as a moisturizer for the skin. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saurav Rathodi and I am a dentist. So let me tell you how you can take care of your teeth and make them healthy and strong for a long time. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take a calcium and mineral rich diet. For calcium, you can go for dairy products. You should also drink fluoridated water and brush with fluoride toothpaste. So at the end, I would like to suggest you to practice a good oral hygiene. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aditya Sharma and I am a cardiologist and I focus on the cardiovascular system of the human body, which includes the heart and the blood vessels. To make your heart healthy and active, just focus on doing running and swimming exercise. Also include more and more fresh fruits and vegetables in your daily diet.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vishakha. I am a physician. I treat minor illnesses and give answer to health questions, conduct health checkups, perform routine health tests including those for cholesterol and blood sugar level, and I can give general medicine to the patients. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Valini Purnami and I am a gynecologist. I provide preventive care and disease management regarding menstruation, infertility, birth control, pregnancy, breast cancer, etc. If you have any problem, you can call me. But if we women take care of our diet and have it including all the dairy products, there might be less chances of falling us ill and we can do some exercise to maintain our healthy lifestyle. So, that's all for today, but still, if you have any problem, you can call me up. Thank you so much and have a nice day ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sakshita and I am a radiologist. I specialize in diagnostic and treatment condition using medical imagery test. I can read and interpret using subscans such as X-ray, MRI, ultrasound and CT scans. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mansi. I am psychiatrist. I treat mental health conditions. I use counseling, medication or hospitalization as part of my treatment of patients. For achieving good mental health, you need to take healthy and balancing diet along with yoga. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anmol Garg. I am an allergist. I am focusing on preventing and treating allergic diseases and conditions. These usually include various types of allergic diseases and asthma. So don't eat anything that may cause allergic diseases and take antibiotic ASAP. And if you have any concern, feel free to ask me anytime. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rudra and I am a pediatrician. I focus on treating children from their birth to young adulthood. I can recognize infants' problem by looking into their eyes and their crying habits. Thank you.
Thank you to all the doctors for coming to this virtual platform. Now, let's move to the questionnaire session of the event. My first question is for Dr. Saurav. Dr. Saurav, can you please tell what type of challenges do you face during COVID-19 peaks?
Yeah, this pandemic was quite challenging for us as there was a difficulty for arranging beds and oxygen cylinders for the patients as many people were suffering from the virus. Secondly, it was quite tough for us to spend the quality time with our family members because we were busy in treating the patients in hospitals. It was also important to keep our safety the utmost priority, and so that we can move forward and help others.
Thank you, Dr. Saurav. My next question is for Dr. Vishaka. Dr. Vishaka, can you please tell us why viruses changes its strain, like coronavirus changes into Delta and now Delta Plus is there?
Coronavirus changed its strain from Corona to Delta, from Delta to Delta Plus, and now the recent one is Alpha. It contains RNA as a genetic material which is highly reactive and unstable in nature. When this RNA reacts with mutagens, it mutates. When this RNA reacts with temperature and any other type of chemical, it changes its form, and that's the result. Now we have new strain of COVID-19, that is Alpha. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Vishaka. My next question is for Dr. Khushbu. Dr. Khushbu, our student want to know your opinion about COVID-19 vaccination.
Sure. As a doctor, I think that it is very essential for all demographics, regardless of the age, gender and social status, to get vaccinated. The COVID-19 vaccine has been created after extensive research, and with the help of our selfless volunteers, it is also proven to be very effective against COVID-19. I think that as proactive, responsible citizens, it is not just our right, but also our duty to get vaccinated. Thank you.
My last question of today's event is for Dr. Mansi. Dr. Mansi, what can you suggest to our students about the prevention measures they should follow for new wave of COVID-19, that is Delta Plus?
I would like to suggest some preventive measures for COVID-19 to all the students. Clean your hands with the help of soap or water. When someone is sneezing, make sure to make distance from him or her. If physical distancing is not possible, make sure to wear your mask. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth. If you are unwell, stay at home. If you have symptoms of fever, cold or cough, make sure to get a medical attention. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Dr. Mansi, and all respected doctors for sparing your valuable time for this session. Thank you.